It's back to work for investors after a much-needed rest following last week's turmoil on Wall Street. We'll see if the turnaround that kicked off Friday can hold up, or if more bad news about the credit crisis will bring back the panic selling. The Dow surging 233 points back above that key 13,000 level, the Nasdaq rising 53 points in Friday's session. It was a surprise move by the Fed that helped turn things around at week's end when the central bank announced it would cut its discount rate by half a point to 5.75%. The discount rate is the interest that the Fed charges banks to borrow money. Investors are still hoping the Fed will trim its more closely watched federal funds rate, which affects what consumers pay on various types of loans like credit cards. Also on the radar this week, the housing market. Wall Street will see if the tight credit market is keeping buyers away when we get the latest report on new home sales for July. In other news, soon investors won't be able to buy a piece of the Beatles. EMI is going private next month. The British music publisher, whose roster includes the Beatles and Coldplay, is being acquired by a private equity group for nearly $5 billion. And that's your Money Watch. Log on to CBSNews.com for more. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Leka.